Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start here, separate hair into clean, dry sections and clip away what's not being worked. Apply remover solvent directly to one bond and wait 30-60 seconds to soften the adhesive. This tests sensitivity and shows how quickly bonds yield. Once you see the bond loosen, gently slide a tail comb or your fingers along the bond to release it. Make sure to work from scalp outward so you don't pull natural hair while dissolving adhesive. Now you focus on the tougher middle stage. Apply a little heat with a low dryer setting while reapplying solvent to any stubborn bonds. Heat increases solvent action without chemical overexposure. Once softened, use a fine tail comb and steady pressure to slide out the extension. Move with the direction of hair growth to minimize snags. If fibers split, stop and trim or set the piece aside. Damaged pieces can't be reattached reliably. Make sure to clean residue from the base of each natural hair. Finish by thoroughly cleansing scalp and natural hair with a clarifying shampoo. This removes solvent and residual adhesive, then follow with a rich conditioner and a 10-15 minute deep treatment to restore moisture. Once done, inspect roots and use a cotton swab plus solvent on any remaining glue. Make sure to rinse well. If a bond resists after 2 careful attempts, stop and consult a professional technician to prevent traction damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.